Hey there guys, welcome back to Curl Sisters. Thanks for joining me. I've been away for over 2 weeks or even more. Things got really crazy and I got super engaged, but I'm right here and now we're back, okay? So guys, don't go anywhere. So I've had this protective style, a ponytail on. If you check my Instagram page, you'll see a picture of it. So I've had a ponytail on for over 2 weeks thanks to a friend of mine who helped me install that at the dying minute. But I had to take that down this morning. So I've taken down the ponytail and then I'm going to have to moisturize my hair with the aloe vera gel. So a couple of you, if you've read my Instagram page, I've had a post about how to make aloe vera gel. So I'm going to be making that gel right now and then moisturizing my hair because this is so crazy. I don't even want to go through the stress of combing this hair right now. So I'm going to moisturize it as a pre-poo and then I'm going to braid it back into sections as usual and then come back and do the proper washing, okay, with my Egg and Oil conditioner and my African black soap. So if you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. This is Curl Sisters, where we give you DIY tips and the best hairstyling tips for your fussy curls because we care about your hair and help you grow it at minimal cost. So before we get started, this is the aloe vera gel. The aloe vera plant itself. Thanks to my sister, she was able to get me the entire plant, so I had to plant it somewhere around a small garden we made. So, okay, so I just have that plant there, and this is going to be super great for moisturizing, especially with the weather, because we're in the Hamilton season and your hair is going to get dry so much. So for your hair, your face, and your skin to stay moisturized, you would need this Mother Earth gooey gel. So it's a translucent gel that is going to help your hair stay moisturized and stay soft and intensely moisturized. So guys, I'll be right back. Let's show you how to make the gel ASAP, and please make sure you subscribe and smash the bell beside the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up and leave any comments, questions you have. More details will be in the description box. Alright guys, so at this point I'm about to prepare my aloe vera, and then all I need is just a knife, and I'm not using the regular kitchen knife because aloe vera is so bitter. Then I have this applicator bottle from Cream of Nature hair dye. I don't throw these containers away. I just wash them up and keep them in case I'll need I need them for DIYs. So I'm just going to peel off the edges of the aloe vera gently and then open up both sides and scrape out. So just slowly, just what I'm doing, I take down the back that way, gently get out all the gel from inside and repeat the process to all the other plants on the table. Okay, so I'll just repeat the same process while I let you on some of the amazing benefits of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera calms itchy scalp. So for people who have itchy scalp and even on your skin, you can use it to calm inflammation and soothe inflammation. You can also use it to cleanse oily hair, okay? So you apply that to your hair and mix it to cleanse your hair follicles essentially and strip it of extra sebum, that's extra oil and residues from hair products. It strengthens and repairs your hair strands because it contains vitamins A, C, and E, and all of these they contribute to cell turnover, so to promote healthy hair growth and shiny hair. Vitamin B12 and folic acid are also contained in aloe vera gel, and these complements keep your hair from falling. So it strengthens your hair, it promotes hair growth, increases blood circulation to your scalp, and then they required a couple of, people with allergic conditions. So if you're allergic to aloe vera, you might want to discontinue the use of this particular product. But aloe vera is an amazing hair product. Okay, guys, so I'm done taking out all of the gel from the aloe vera plants. And at this point, I have my blender. So I'll just turn this into the blender and blend it into a fine gooey consistency. Turn it into my applicator bottle and apply it directly into my hair. Keep watching. Oh, I just finished blending my aloe vera. Yep. All right. This is quite crazy. Oh my God. Guess what? I still have a lot of the lump in there that has not blended well. So I'm just going to go in a second time and blend it, and then after that I'll turn it into my applicator bottle and then apply it straight into 4 sections. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's a struggle, guys. Okay, at this point I'm just going to apply my aloe vera gel, and this is quite small because depending on the volume of my hair, this is quite small, but I'm going to have to manage this all through my hair. So I'm just going to part this, loosen this up, and then use my fingers to detangle carefully and slowly. Okay. And then get ready to apply my gel from the tip to the root. So I'm going to start from here, apply from here, and walk it gently. Now this is how you're supposed to apply products to your hair, because this part of your hair is the dead part of your hair, okay? The tip, the roots, that's still growing. But because of that, you're going to apply the gel from the roots, from the tip all the way up into the roots. So whether it is a deep conditioner you're applying, whether it is a styling product, you apply from the tip to the root. So you go this way in, okay? That way in. It's better for you to go that way in because it allows this part of your hair absorb the product well, and then before it gets here. All right? So this is my aloe vera, and I put it inside an applicator bottle. So I'm going to go in. Okay, so I'm going to, into each section, I'm going to start applying my aloe vera gel from the tip down to the root of my hair and to the scalp of my hair. I do not have any allergy when it comes to aloe vera, so I apply it generously all through my hair, and then I'm going to comb and detangle with my white tooth comb and slowly braid back each section, and then I'll leave this on my hair overnight. Yes, I just leave this overnight and I'll wash off the next day, and I'll make sure I do this my entire head. Keep on applying the aloe vera gel into my hair. Yeah, people. So I'm just going to carry this for 3 to 4 hours, and you can apply this and leave it overnight, okay? As a pre-poo, it's great. So when you take down your hair in the morning, your hair is going to be fully detangled, and then it's going to feel softer and it's going to be healthier. Yeah, it feels softer and healthier. And then apply it to the scalp. This is not chippy, so don't get scared. You can apply it to your scalp as well. It's going to be as well really nice, and you can use this as a gel for styling your hair. You can also use this as a gel for maintaining moisture in your hair. So don't forget, guys, and if you're new to my channel, please give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, smash the bell so you don't miss out on any new video I bring. Till when next I return, have a great day, Sikar sisters. I love you. Bye. Oh, this is Perry the Mary Berry, and I brought her Perry's on TW.